In a thrilling development for adventure enthusiasts, Yamaha's GYTR Ténéré 700 World Raid kits have brought the power and performance of rally racing to the public. Inspired by Yamaha's rally racing program, these kits are designed to transform your Ténéré World Raid into a true competition motorcycle, with enhanced engine performance and rally-ready chassis capabilities. These incredible kits are available through European Yamaha dealerships and offer 3 distinctive options for riders seeking an adrenaline rush. The Performance Kit is an accessible upgrade that includes a rally seat, footrest set, GYTR AQ, Akrapovic full titanium exhaust system, and air filter kit. It's a package that elevates engine performance by up to 9 horsepower, making your Ténéré even more dynamic. The handling kit takes your adventure to the next level with race-spec wheels and suspension. Featuring KYB closed cartridge forks with DLC-coated tubes, a GYTR triple clamp assembly, and a fully adjustable steering damper, it enhances handling and stability in rugged terrains. For the ultimate rally experience, the Rally Kit is your go-to choice. It offers larger fuel tanks, roadbook and GPS instrument equipment compatibility, auxiliary tanks, and much more to tackle competitive rally raids. Plus, a carbon fiber and Kevlar skid plate and a comprehensive sticker kit for that authentic rally look. It's important to note that the GYTR Adventure Kits are specifically designed for racing purposes and are perfect for riders ready to conquer the most challenging conditions. If you already own a standard Ténéré 700, some of these GYTR performance parts are available separately for customization. Please check with your dealer or visit yamaha-racing.com/GYTR/ to find the parts that suit your needs. The GYTR Performance Kit unlocks the full potential of your Ténéré 700 World Raid, featuring a lightweight race exhaust system, a rally seat for control in demanding conditions, and a clutch cover upgrade for quick servicing between rally stages. Installation of these parts is straightforward, allowing you to retain your stock wiring harness, wheels, and ABS system. The GYTR Handling Kit elevates your Ténéré's chassis to rally-ready status, providing outstanding handling and stability with new race specification wheels, suspension, and a range of performance-enhancing components. Race-developed forks, a steering damper, a Paoli shock absorber, and GYTR rally wheels are just some of the components that make this kit a must for off-road adventurers. The GYTR Rally Kit takes things to the next level, adding larger capacity fuel tanks, roadbook equipment compatibility, and everything you need for competitive rally raids. It even offers a distinct Dakar look with a high front fender and high-performance lighting. Whether you're dreaming of intense competition or just want to enhance your adventure riding, these GYTR kits are now available through your Yamaha dealership. So, take your Ténéré World Raid experience to new heights with the GYTR Performance Kits and parts. To explore all the details and options available, visit yamaha-racing.com/GYTR/ for more information. Get ready to conquer the toughest terrains and races with Yamaha's GYTR Ténéré 700 World Raid kits. Elevate your adventure today.